Oops. Today it is time to perform another durability test. Actually, I'm a little tired. There's a lot of power outage in India in the summertime. Have to deal with the same kind of situation. So we have the OnePlus 7 Red Edition today, and recently we tried the OnePlus 7 Pro. This 7 Pro is very solid phone, but finally it failed on the drop test. Right now it is on the OnePlus Service Center. Back to the OnePlus 7. What's my prediction about the OnePlus 7? So more or less it is same like the OnePlus 60 because design is not changed, just the internal specs are changed. So I believe it is going to happen the same. It is solid durable phone, but it is not going to pass on the drop test. So I'm just predicting based on the OnePlus 60 and the 7 Pro test. Still we are going to perform all the sequential stuff, 5-minute water test, splash test on this phone, bend test, drop test, and yep, let me know in the comment which phone you want to see the next. We are going to perform the durability test on that phone too. So first, let's see how durable this OnePlus 7 Red Edition is. We will start with a scratch test as always, just to verify what kind of construction is being used on your phone, or indirectly what kind of protection do you need to take care on your phone. There is a very thin screen protector. The back glass is covered with the Gorilla Glass 5 according to the Corning. It is great especially in terms of taking scratches, so there won't be any much scratches with your regular objects. The FCC labels, the OnePlus logo and everything is inside the glass, so they will be there for always until you break it or use some kind of a skin. The protection around the camera, or you can say camera module, is made from the metal. It's good design choice, especially if you drop your phone, that metal thing is going to save your camera glass. But here is a bad part, LED flash is not inside the glass. With time it may get scratches, and with the flash your photo may be blurred in the night. The camera glass should be using the same kind of protection what is being used on the front, that is Gorilla Glass 6. But let's verify whether we can see any scratches or not. So I can see some bit of a small hairline scratches. That's not a big of deal. Use some kind of screen protectors there. The complete frame is made from the metal, but there is a paint job. With time this paint may came out, or in case you drop your phone there may be some white metal visible, so use some good case here. The SIM tray is made from metal, but inside, let's verify, it is made from the plastic. Not a good choice in the budget phones. Nowadays we are seeing the metal frame. The front display is protected with the Gorilla Glass 6. Let me tell you guys, 6 is not as great in terms of taking scratches, but still that's what we have seen on the past. It's not very smooth, I can feel it, and I can see some bit of hairline scratches. That is okay. The front camera is under the glass, should not be getting any kind of scratches so far. It's good. The earpiece and the speaker, let's verify it. It is made from the plastic. I guess some kind of cost cutting has been done here. If you just compare with the OnePlus 7 Pro, there it was made from the complete solid metal, but here it is complete plastic. You can chip off the plastic part, as you can see here. Plastic parts are coming out. And the display, there is no curved display like the 7 Pro, and there is a plastic frame around the glass, which is not a bad thing. It's fine. The in-display fingerprint sensor, let's see whether it works or not. It's fine. If your screen gets a lot of scratches, here it is intentional, but hey, let's verify all the proper things. I'm just trying to do as much scratch as possible, but still the fingerprint sensor is working. Third time. Now it is very badly scratched. Still it is working. That's great. Also it is recognizing the new fingerprint also, and it should unlock. Oh yeah, it is unlocking. So now guys, it is time to perform the splash test, or you can say waterproof test, on the OnePlus 7. So OnePlus, they haven't provided any official rating, but still they claim like you can throw this phone on the water. So since there is no IP rating, you cannot exactly say for how long, for how depth you can put it. So OnePlus 60 we tried for 2 minutes, OnePlus 7 Pro we tried for 3 minutes. Now we are going to try for 5 minutes on the OnePlus 7. So I'm just going to put it for the 5 minutes, let the time running, and after 5 minutes we will just verify whether everything is working fine or not. We are about to complete 5 net. Maybe with the OnePlus 7T or 7 Pro T, I should go till the 10 net. Hopefully we should see official IP rating there. But so far phone is turned on, it's not yet dead. I'm just going to take the phone out and let's verify whether everything is working fine or not. Yeah, it's looking very beautiful, honestly. All the basic functionalities like the fingerprint sensor, buttons and all things still working. And I used it for 10 minutes before showing you guys everything is working fine. There's no such problem, including the alert slider also. Let's verify the speaker with the OnePlus 7 Pro drop test.
USB Type C port check करते हैं क्या वर्क कर रहा नहीं कर रहा है.
It's working. And how about the USB Type C port, whether it is working or not? So I'm going to charge the phone. Let's see whether the charger works or not. So yeah, it is charging fine, no problem. So let's verify whether the camera is working or not. So photos are coming fine, no such problems. So far phone is sort of splash proof, so you can count on it. So now we are at our last test of the durability, which is the drop test. So this is the third OnePlus phone. I'm going to try the OnePlus 6T, which did fail from the 6 feet height, and the bad part was that the display completely got dead. It was not even usable. I need to send it for repair. It took me around 10k Indian currency to get it done. After that, we tried the OnePlus 7 Pro. That one also failed on the drop test from the 6 feet height, but it was actually working. It was still usable. I have sent it to repair. It is just about to come. Now the OnePlus 7, it has the same design construction as the OnePlus 6T. So I'm very positive it is going to fail. Yeah, I have to say it, but more or less it is going to fail. Hopefully the back glass, it is not going to crack, but the front display is obviously going to crack. So first I'm going to start from the waist height in case you're taking your phone out and it just fell in this way. And this is the screen unlocked from the bottom side. Let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, display is still okay. And the impact from here, got some dent, still fine. All right. Now we have the top side. Waist height, 3, 2, 1. Still working. Back glass, perfect. It's such a beautiful phone. Okay. Rear side, camera glass, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, still good. Display also good. Screen side, let's see whether it's going to pass or not. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's good. Back also good. Beautiful. Okay, we are going to increase the height in case you're talking and you dropped your phone. Let's see what happens. So bottom side, 6 feet height, 3, 2, 1. You can see these are the red dent marks which are coming. Still it is working, no issues. Display okay. OnePlus 7 Pro actually failed from this height. It has a corner impact and the display got cracked. All right, here we go. Top side earpiece, 3, 2, 1. Still good. And oh, the display actually cracked from here. You can see the bottom display is cracked and impact from here. The display is still working and there is no such issues. The touch is still working, but this is cracked from this angle. And actually I will show you. You can see this is the cracks still working here, and a fingerprint sensor should work, and that is still working, which is bad. All right, let's start from the top side. 3, 2, 1. Oh, see, this is the color actually. This red color actually are coming from the phone. It is surprising. It is paint job, and oh, these are red paints are coming. So from top side, no cracks, even though we had impact here, but the bottom is cracked. All right. Rear side, back glass, 6 feet height, 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. Back glass okay. Front display it got one more crack, as you can see here on the gallery. I guess I can show you here some lines here, and a fingerprint sensor still working. Great. So on the last side, last test, 6 feet height. Let's see whether the display is completely going to dead or not. Three, two, one. Oh man. Oh, it's completely gone. Guys, I actually forgot to film the bend test even though my phone is completely dead. Still, I'm just going to try to bend the phone in front of you. Let's see whether the phone survives or not. So I'm just going to bend first from the screen side, and they're just not broken. So I should see. So we are here basically just to verify whether, how much kind of bend it is actually happening. So let's see. Surprisingly, the back of the phone, the back panel is coming out, which we haven't seen on the OnePlus 7 Pro and the 6T. I don't know what kind of compromise we've done here, but still it is coming out. So let's try to bend from the opposite direction. So there is no bend at all. Still the frame is very solid. It's kind of coming back. So I'm just going to use some kind of protection to bend from the opposite direction. Sorry guys, I just forgot to bend this time. I don't know how, but it happened. Still the phone is solid. It just regains the proper shape on the opposite direction also. It seems to be pretty solid phone. I told you exactly which is what going to happen again. The same happened with the OnePlus 6T. It is completely unusable. It was cracked. I know that, but at least it should be working. So from the 6 feet height, the OnePlus 7 is not going to survive. I will show you very soon the very good drop proof cases, at least which are MI rating certified. So there you have it guys, the OnePlus 7 red color completely failed on the drop test, even though it is very solid phone. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.